Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to do another recap. I took 4 trades today and one of them, have you ever entered on a trade, get stop out just to watch price running exactly what you thought it would? Yes, that happened to me today, but guess what? I re-entered and that ended up being the best trade of the day. Before we go to that trade, let's go in order. My first trade was here. I entered for more downside and immediately price went against me. This was an opportunity to add one more contract, but I wasn't able to do the math fast, so I didn't add. When it started to look that it was going in my favor, once again we took that previous swing high to finally move in my favor. The real target of this setup is low of day, but since low of day was a 0.3, 0.35 to 1 trade, I wanted to get at least a 0.5 to 1 trade. That was a risky decision, yet it was one that I was decided to take. So this first trade worked. I was expecting a fast move after my entry, and what price did was go against me. That's why I wasn't thinking about adding more here, because I thought I was going to get stop out. Now we're going to see what price did after I sold or closed the position, and we can argue that, oh, you could have sold at least one or maybe two and leave one for the rest of the day, but my setup tells me to close the position here, and I'd rather close the position here and now focus on another setup for more downside. That was the plan, that was the idea, even though I wasn't able to take anything in all this drop, but I'm very okay with what I did here. I want consistency in this kind of setup instead of trying to get a big swing. I knew that after price drop all this, now I want to pull back to enter for more downside, because price is so weak that I wouldn't be looking to enter for more upside, at least not now. So let's take a look at the trade that stopped me out just to watch then price run to the level that I thought it would. Like I said, I wanted a pullback to enter for more downside. I entered here after a big swing and immediately price went against me. It stopped me out and then it started to move again. So I decided to re-enter. Not only that, look what I did here. I entered one more here. And then also we took low of day, but I closed the position at a 1-to-1 trade. This was a really clean setup, really fast. And once again, right now I'm looking for consistency. I'm not looking for this kind of big swings, and this is just the way I'm trading right now. And then the last trade, for some reason, I don't know why, it's not a bad setup, but for some reason I was betting on a higher low and a higher move. So we took this swing low, which I believed it was a run on stop loss, and then we closed above this inverse fair value gap here, and I entered there. I don't know if you can see it, it's a little green arrow. I entered and immediately all my trades went against me today in the first candle. The first one I entered against me, the second one I entered against me, the third one against me, and then the last one against me, stopped me out, took low of day, did a swing low, took it again, and then it started to move upward. But the main thing today was this. The ability of being stopped out, believing that even though price stopped me out, there's a chance that this could work. So I re-entered, I added one more here, beautiful execution, and then exit at a 1-to-1. And these were the 4 trades of the day. 4 trades today, 2 wins, 2 losses, and most important, 0 mistake. Why most important? Because 0 mistake allowed me to analyze price action and today's action without thinking of something else. I can collect real data without having to add one mistake, I should have done this, I should have done that. Today remind me that not all trades that go against my position are my enemy. Some of them, if I know how to do it right, are an edge. I took these 4 trades today live here on YouTube, and if you weren't able to watch me live, you can still go and watch the video here. You will see me there executing in real time these 4 trades. As of now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.